What if you could use something to take the edge off and calm your brain and it didn't make you sedated and it wasn't addictive? Well, that's what we're going to talk about today, Selank. So welcome back to the channel. It's Dr. Durst, and I specialize in regenerative medicine and sexual wellness and also peptides. So Selank is a peptide that can actually take the edge off, anxiety, calm the brain, but not sedate you. There's not an addiction risk, and you don't feel like a different person. And I think that's why Selank is getting so much attention. It is a regulatory peptide originally developed in Russia, and it is naturally derived. But what makes it very interesting is how your brain interacts with it. The chemistry it changes in the brain. Selank is best known for reducing anxiety and mood stabilizing effects. So in plain terms, people do feel less anxious, they're more emotionally stable, and they do feel more mentally clear. They don't feel numb, they don't feel drugged. From a mechanism standpoint, Selank does appear to influence GABA. That's one of the effects that it has in the brain, and that is a brain signaling system that actually helps calm you down. Yet it can also have effects on serotonin and dopamine, and those are both active in mood and motivation pathways. But neuroplasticity can also be something that you see with Selank, and that we want to talk more about because we now know that you can actually work with your brain to develop pathways that weren't once present, and that's the exciting thing about Selank. So you can also increase your learning ability potentially. But unlike traditional anti-anxiety medication, Selank is not a benzodiazepine like Valium or Xanax, and it does not act to directly sedate you. That is a distinction that really matters. Many users do describe improved stress resilience rather than feeling sedated. And I think that is, again, just a very important distinction. Some common reasons patients use Selank is generalized anxiety. Could be you are stressed about, almost everything. Or maybe you just feel stressed and wired, and your brain just doesn't shut off. Wired and tired is what I call that. Or maybe there's some cognitive fog that you have when you're super stressed. This could help with that. Performance anxiety, you have something big, you have a big meeting, and you get very anxious, and then you can't think clearly. And then mood regulation support is another important thing. So the fascinating effect about Selank in some of the studies is it helps to normalize or work with the neurotransmitters in the brain, simply working and balancing those rather than stimulating or depressing the system. So basically, patients do report feeling calmer at baseline, just reduce mental chatter, which is super important because our brains are always going. And if we can just turn that off, and improved focus under pressure, and obviously better stress tolerance. It usually is used intranasally, so that way it gets rapid absorption right into the brain, and onset is relatively quick but subtle and not noticeable. It is a very safe peptide to use. It's non-sedating. It doesn't make you dependent on it. It's well tolerated without many side effects, and that's important. So while peptides are not magic, they are tools, and with the proper patient selection, dosing, and context, you need to make sure that a physician finds that this peptide is right for you. So with that in mind, if you have some stress that you're under, you need some brain clarity, you need to reduce that stress, you want to feel more or less anxious, but you don't want to be dependent on medications, then Selank may be something that you want to entertain. So reach out to us if you have any questions. Let's start a conversation in the comments and let me know, because I am willing to deep dive into anything peptides, wellness, or sexual wellness.